Hello happy souls, this is my third restoration project, this time with Suzuki Samurai. We are in unboxing tail light and mudguard bracket in part 5. And first let's start with the tail light assembly. The brand name is TMC Gold written everywhere, and the pricing is rupees 213. This is 2024 Jan month pricing, and this is for Samurai. And inside it we can see this is the tail light. It is wrapped well with the branding, and the wiring is of the same quality which we bought for the Max R100 one, and it comes without bulb. We have to buy extra. It may cost around 10 rupees, and we have seen the previous one, like everywhere it was cost cutting inside the reflectors, the bolt length, the size, and the nut size. Everywhere they have done cost cutting. Let's see how it's gonna be this time. And this is how you replace the bulb, and that's all for this one. And let's go to the bracket assembly. And this is also bought on 2024 Jan month, and the pricing is 79. The brand is Silicon. Both are from Delhi based company. The previous tail light assembly and this part Silicon brand is from tail light assembly. I was little worried because I have a doubt I could get this part or not, because it was too rusty, and most of the places it was not available, and finally got in Chennai. And this is a part which holds the rear number plate, the mudguard, and the frame. These three all are combined. At the rear it comes with 10 mm bolt and bolt and nut, and at the front it comes with 13 mm nut and bolt. In previous part I have welded for the Max R100, the nut I have welded. You can use the same if you want, and you have to repaint it. That's all for this video. Bye.